Okay, here's HyperVent. We're going to be going to a high humidity area in Oregon near the coast. And we're going to install this to prevent mold from getting under the mattress. Got the mattress pushed up. And this is a king size bed. So we ordered 12 feet of it. This is the platform, and I'll show you when I get it on there. Okay, here's our installed HyperVent product. You put the fabric side of the HyperVent up. And the idea is that this is going to allow substantial airflow underneath the mattress to prevent mold and mildew. This is the seam that overlaps. I cut the two pieces in half and then trimmed around the edges here as it was laying on the platform. So 12 foot for a king size RV, laid horizontal like this, get you a good coverage. Okay, here's the installed HyperVent. The mattress on top is quite an ordeal if you have a heavy mattress like we do. We bought a Wilderness mattress. I think it was pretty plush. And so it's big and heavy. It's got a topper on it also. But that should allow circulation under the bed, prevent mold and mildew.